what I mean? It's just like replay. Like, let me just try and backtest my strategy. So now we are backtesting the strategy here, and we have a double what? We have a double bottom here, like I said.
Yes.
So now that we have a double bottom, let's play and let's see how this market played out. Let's see how this market played out. Now let's continue with our play continuation mode. Now price is continuing after the double bottom. You see, price is moving. I hope you are seeing what is happening in the market now.
Yes.
You see this bull candle that shows continuation. This bull candle here is showing continuation. If you enter from there also, you're still going to make some massive profit there, because price is not going to come back to that zone to invalidate. You see another bull candle here again. See this another bull candle here, which means another zone. So if you're moving your stop loss from here, you're moving your stop loss to here. You can be following the trend. You see another one again, which means you can move your stop loss here again. And once you move your stop loss here, see this move here. This is where the price is going to get exhausted. I hope you're getting my point.
Sure.
Now, we hit TP ASAP. I hope you're getting my point.
Yes.
Do you see how smooth it is to hit TP from there? ASAP, we hit TP from here. Now, the market is still going. You see, where I said the price is going to react to. You see that place where I said price is going to react to? You see that price is approaching that place?
Yes.
Now, if price fail to close above here, we are going to sell. Yes. Because that is my approach to trading. If price fail, because price is failing to close above, it creates a top, it creates another top. This top is supposed to create another high. Because after this high, see this big high. Another high is supposed to be here. Make another high. Sure, you understand? But we are in an overall downtrend. Because on an overall, we're in a downward. Are you there?
Yes, I'm with you.
Now, on overall, we are on a downtrend. Sure, you get?
Yes.
So now, if price get to this position here and then fail to create a high from here, because this bull candle now, it tell us say we won't continue. And you won't continue means say you won't continue normal. But if you fail, because now in a continuation, they tell me now, but if you can't tell me say they don't continue, see what happened. Did you see it? What happened there?
It fails.
A crazy move. See that big move. They don't change market structure like that. That means the trend don't change. I don't think you are getting my point.
Yes, I do.
Trend don't change like this, because this is a big bearish engulfing candle on a what? On a supply zone. You get now? I don't think you are getting this point.
I am.
So market is now sure that we are in a downtrend, because it is very, very, very sure here that we are in a downtrend. See now, very 100% sure say we are in a downtrend, because we are out of this lower high. We are another low again, right? But it just come a little bit high. You understand what I mean? Because on overall, we are. You understand what I mean?
Yes, I do.
Now, if you should enter your entries from there, what are you waiting for? After the close of this candle. I don't think you are getting my point. But if you go to the lower time frame, you can enter from somewhere here. But I like the close of a candle before I enter.
Entry point.
Yeah.
After the close of that bearish candle is another entry point, man.
Yes, that is an entry point. But sometimes price will come back to respect this place before continuing. Sometimes I wait for the price to come back, but sometimes you can miss out on the market. You understand what I mean? After this big candle, multiple candles will just form and they start falling. I don't think you are getting my point.
Yes, I do.
No, but now that we have our stop loss above this zone area, now where do we target? Because you need to understand your target before you start entering a trade. Where do we target? This is the next zone that we're going to target, because this is the zone where price is likely going to react to. Why is price likely going to react to that zone? Watch it very well. See support. Let me show it to you so that you can understand what I mean. This one is forming multiple. Now, you see very well. See the price support from here. You see, that is where price changes structure. I don't think you're getting it, because you are falling here, come up, falling here, come up, fall here, come up. After coming up here, you're supposed to fall, right? But price fail here. This is where price fail. This is where buyers start overpowering the sellers, because they created a double top here. Because after breaking off, let me draw out this line. Because after market fell off here, come for liquidity grab. fell off, respected this zone, come for liquidity grab, fell again. After falling off, what do you expect? It should come here and then fall again, right?
Yes.
Sure, you understand?
Yes.
But price do what? Fail. Price don't fail from here, create a double bottom. That is equilibrium. Price is now equal and it is not going to go lower than this. And if buyers don't see, I'm a price don't want to go lower than this, let's say here we go buy you. You understand what I mean? That is where you buyers just pump the market up. I don't think you're getting my point.
Yes, I do.
And immediately buyers pump the market, you see, they come here, they retest this zone here, right? See, they retest it back and then do what? They pump it up. Some people can get in from this retest after break of this market structure. I don't think you're getting my point.
I do.
Some people might get in here and then do what? Enter from here and then take their profit at the top here. But those traders that are massive, they know what the market is saying. They know that this is a reversal pattern here. See, they're not burning for power. They need to move the market. Those ones, they don't buy from here. Those ones, they wait from here. But here, if you buy from here, there's a chance that price can just retrace a little bit before going up. Sometimes it happens, though. You understand? But the best entry point is here. I don't think you're getting my point.
Yes.
The best entry point is when you see that double bottom. ASAP, you're buying your position. Now, when this one happens here, what are you expecting? You're expecting the market to go back to a place that has been acted to multiple times. See, price acted to here, price acted to here, and then it is likely that price is going to do what? Give you this big move, give you a retest, and then what? Continuation. I don't think you're getting my point.
Yes, I do.
Now, price get to the last. Let's go to our replay mode and let's see how price played out from there. Let's see how price played out from there, and so that we can move. We can see how price see. Let's go. See, price come back for liquidity grab, bearish candle. Now, price come back again, fail. See that it has failed multiple times now. So it's a confirmation of that. You see, very accurate. Price hit TP from there. Immediately price hit TP, see what happened again. You see now. Are you getting this thing?
100%.
You see, the bull will do what? The bull enter again. And if the bulls enter, what does it mean? They won't buy again. I don't think you're getting my point.
I do.
You can enter from there again and buy. As a trader, you don't care if you lost a trade from there. You don't care if you don't lose a trade because you know that there's a chance that we're going to buy from here. And if we're going to buy from here, even if the market does not pump and the market give me a reversal pattern, I will close my entry, right? But from here, it is showing me that they are buying from here. I don't think you're getting it.
Yes, I do.
Now let's go for 2-to-1 risk reward from here. 2-to-1. This is a 2-to-1 risk reward here. Now let's see how this price played out. So this is why you need to start using your. You see, let's see. Price come back for you see. And now let's see. Price is failing. Price failed there. You see the price now? It's moving. Let's see how price played out. You see, price is playing massively. This is a retracement. Yeah, let's see, maybe this price will continue. Price is not okay, it's continuing here. Okay, price failed. See what happened here? Price failed. Yes. What does price mean? After you see that price is creating a double top, see what is this?
This is a double top.
As a trader, what will you do?
That's another zone. You sell.
You see, as a trader, you see that this is a sell signal. What do you do when you are buying here? You take your what?
Profit.
You take no reason I'm too much. You take your profit ASAP because this is a double what? It's a double top. And if a double top is happening on a downtrend, because this one now downtrend here, sure you understand, because we don't start a new trend. But you are risking this position that you want to take profit back here. That maybe we are going to continue the uptrend. But now double top, I've already told you that okay, let's say double uptrend no valid again. No. Now the continuation of the trend. No. Now if you enter from this double top, now it is a big confirmation that we are going to continue the trend downwards. You can sell. I don't think you are getting my point. You can sell from this double top. That okay, continuation of price is called liquidity grab. This one is a zone where price is going to fall. Now, if you want to take your profit where price want to continue downwards, where are you going to take the next profit? You want to take the next profit with the origin of where double bottom happened here. I don't think you are getting my point because we don't create a low now. This is a low. This is another higher low. What are you expecting? A lower low, right? Now, if you are expecting a lower low, where do you want to target? You want to target this place. I don't think you are getting my point.
Yes,
That is where you want to target. That is where you want to target. You want to target where the price is going to give you a new lower low. Now, price. Now let's see how this played out. Let's see how this played out, so that so that you can understand what I mean. Let's see if you stop out, we are going to take our profit. But if you are not stop, you see, price came back for liquidity grab with an inverted hammer with continuation. And if you see immediately price hit TP. See, look at here. Immediately, see now. You see? Did you see it?
of course, yes.
Immediately, but price did what? ETP. After price ETP with this bull candle here, let's go back. What does this mean when you see this candle? When you see this candle, what does it mean? When you see this kind of candle in a trend, what does it mean? This candle. Morning star. What does it mean?
It's a bullish candle now.
Good. That means the price, they are going to buy again from there. You can also enter your buy position again from here, because the price has come back to the origin and gather more liquidity with big rejection than a morning star candle. Now, watch it very well. Let's say you entered your entry from there. Let's say you enter your entry from there, and then you are expecting the market to do what? This is the zone that we are in now. Price is now telling you. You see what price is telling you? Let me show you. Let me show you one big picture, because you need to understand the big picture before you understand what I mean. Now, where is my tool? Okay, price pump from here. Come back for a liquidity grab. You see that price did not close here. It just come for liquidity grab. That means it's still low. This is a low. This is another low. So if you draw a trend line here, it is likely that price do what? Pump upwards from here. I don't think you are getting my point.
Yes, I do.
Because here, price failed. Price failed to come here. It just came for liquidity grab and then reject. This rejection is a big rejection on a daily candle. If you go to a lower time frame, you see that it's a big, very crazy big rejection, because it's too massive. That if you calculate the pips with the pips calculator, I don't think I have my pips calculator here. It is a very big pip. It can be like 100 pips or 200, because it's a massive pip. You understand? That means this buying pressure here is very solid. And if you should draw your trend line out from here, price is giving you something like this. I don't think you're getting my point.
Yes, I do.
Did you get my point there?
Yeah.
Price is giving you a support here also, which means we are going to go and create another high that's going to be here. I don't think you're getting my point. That's going to be here, or we break out of this place. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Or we break out of this place. If you don't break out of this place, we can come back for this trend line and support again, because there's a chance that you're going to support from there. Let me just you see, let me draw this out. You see, price failed here. Now, if you want to target something, you can target more of it. Sometimes some can target something like this or something similar to this, something similar. But to make your stop loss not more massive, you can just put it back here. You understand what I mean? And here, you can now trade with stop loss, or stop trailing of stops. I don't think you're getting my point. Now let's see how this play. Let's see how this played out. Let's see how this played out. Now price is continuing. You see that big massive move there. Price came for a retest, continuation. You see that continuation there? Retest, continuation again, retest. Ooh. Retest. Okay, continuation. You see, price fail here. You see the price fail here. Do you see the price fail there?
Yes.
So that means this is the zone where you need to target your what? TP. Now, immediately you target your TP, price can come back for a retracement. And I don't like taking this kind of retracement, because on the big picture, it's telling me that we have changed structure on the big picture. I don't think you understand what I mean. But some people want to trade this sell. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Some people want to take that sell, but I don't take that sell, because this sell can continue the trend. Are you getting my point? It can continue the trend and then make the trend go back to the origin here. You know why? Because we are here, we create a low. This is a lower lower high because you already know the big picture here. As a big picture trader, you can hold this position here and never leave this zone. Once you don't leave this zone, if you watch it very well, you see that price might continue or price might not continue. Sometimes price, but most of the time price continue because after this low, after this lower low, this is a lower high, this is another lower high, this is a higher high, a higher high, and then this high is supposed to go and create another high. I don't think you're getting my point because price has changed in direction from here.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, I can hear you.
Now, let's see how this price played out. Let's see how you see this continuation. You see this continuation. You see what I mean here? Now, price come back to the origin.
Yes.
Gather more liquidity on that trend line. So that means this trend line is massively valid. You see that trend line is valid. Now, price is coming back for, you see, bull candle. They test that trend line and respect what? They respect the trend line. You can enter another buy position here again. If you know what you are doing. I don't think you understand what I mean.
Yes, I do.
You can enter another buy position from there, put your stop loss below that zone area, and then continue the trend. Now, the trend is continuing. I don't think you're getting my point.
Yes, I do.
Now, let's assume someone take another buy position from here again, because he know that the price should give us a new high, and he's targeting another high, right? You can enter his entries from there, and then see how price played out. Let's see how price played out. Because sometimes in the market, you need to be patient for market to give you what you need. See now, price is respecting that place very well. He come back to that position again, and it is respecting it. You see, who can do continuation? Are you getting my point here?
Sure.
That can do again, self. If person know what they do, he go enter again from a buy position here. Oh my God!
Sure.
This trend just the sweet. You see, this trend is very crazy, and it's going to give you that big win that you are waiting for. I don't think you are getting my point.
Yes, I do.
Now, price is moving again. You see, liquidity grab. After liquidity grab, price is still continuing the trend. Big massive. See, there are big candles here that are coming in. There are big companies that are coming in from here. Now you hit what? You hit your TP. You hit what? Did you see what happened there? You know grab. You know grab what they tell you here.
I grab.
Price go they respect. They go they respect some zones. See now, as a trader, you don't massively kill this one. You kill another entry. You can only one single trade because you know what you are doing. Because some traders go down, they take their profit from here. I don't think you're getting my point. Some traders go down, they take their profits here. They don't know which market they talk, saying they don't change trend. You understand what I mean?
Sure.
Now, if you draw your zone here again, because this is where big industry come in here. These big candles here. There are some banks that are trading this position because this is where big continuation from this top here. There's a chance that price will retest this zone and then continue upward. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
There's a chance that price, because here, price failed here. So this is accurately. This is very accurate. This is very accurate because this is very accurate. You don't need to force yourself. You don't need to trade that position again because it's very accurate. Because see the rejection now. It's a big rejection. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
The big rejection is just only to serve to go and cut people off. He just go there to go and eliminate sellers there. He go wipe all those stupid sellers who they sell from there. He go wipe them off, their stop loss, he go hit all of them. You understand?
Yes.
You go commode them for market, say, or Ben, if you say you want to continue trend. Because this big industrial candle here is telling you that there are some big industries here trading this position. And it's likely that price test here and continue. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
See that this trend line is very accurate.
Sure.
See why I said you need to understand the market movement. Don't be afraid of what you know. I don't think you are getting my point.
Yes, I do.
If you know something, if you know very well, like your mentor or your trader or anybody teach you this is how they trade the market, and you ask them to say, you're now fearing, no, let me take my small. You just now small take profit. You just take till you enter your trading career. You got to be saying that you understand what I mean now. Patient traders take the most out of the market. They take the massive profit out of the market because they understand the market very well. And if you don't understand, because here I don't see any rejection now, I don't see any double top, I don't see any, you understand, that means prices continue. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
And I have my places that I can enter multiple times, because I know prices continue with this trend line, and it is telling me that the origin here is massively solid. You see, we buy from here, right? We buy from here. We buy from here.
Yeah.
If another person there, he go buy from here. The gravity, I mean.
Yes.
If you watch this very well, I said price need to go and give you another high, right?
Mm-hmm.
What happened here?
It created another high.
So this first entry that we said price is going to create another high. If you listen to yourself, very well. You see that you can take that high and jack back from the market ASAP. See now.
Mm-hmm.
Because breaking of market structure needs to happen because we have changed in trend. The downtrend is over. We are out of this channel. And if you're out of this channel, that this one has been broken out, with the next zone we are targeting is where price started to fall. I hope you are getting my point. This is where price started to fall. This is the origin that price you started to fall, and then we can come back to that origin to do what? I hope you are getting my point. Markets can come back to that origin and hit that origin. You understand what I mean?
Sure.
Some have the guts to risk market. Some have the guts to risk market in the sense that they will take TP1, this TP2, all those TPs, they will take it. You understand? They will now leave one entry as a risk because they are ready to lose that entry. They'll put it there. I hope you are getting my point.
Sure.
There are some trend traders that know that this is a trend now. Let me just follow because if you don't see that trend again for your life, I don't think you understand what I mean because they are very locked. They just come once in a while. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
That trend that you want to enter can give you the profit of 1 month, 2 months. The profit that you have lost from, or maybe crazy movement that you have been trading over the week. It will just give you that big, massive move, giving you all those profit back. Because if you follow the trend, because this is a high, right? This is a high.
Yes.
Price came for a low. It came for a new high. When price comes for, you're expecting the price to come here and then continue.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, you understand? So people that understand that this thing is supposed to create another high, they will wait for the market to give another high. They will leave one entry. I hope you are getting my point. Out of all the entries, maybe they enter 5 entries from the position. They have taken their profit. You have TP1, TP2, TP3, TP. You understand what I mean now? Many TPs like that. They'll just leave one TP that they are ready to lose because they have already made profit. They have made massive profit. Because if you look at the risk reward, it is massive now. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Now let's see how this played out. If you are stopped out or with your break even, because you need to put your break even, like break even plus, like which is this place. You understand what I mean? This place.
Yes.
That means if price come back to retest this trend line here, it needs to continue. So your break even plus can be here. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
You can enter here. Oh, let me just. You can put your. You can take your TP here. Look at this place below that zone area. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Some can put their TP below that zone area. You know why? Because they want to enjoy the whole movement and they are ready to risk this. And risk takers are the ones that take the massive profit moves. The risk takers. Let me tell you the truth about trading. The ones that are ready to risk the high profit, they are the ones that take the most out of the market. They are the big banks, the community, all these trading institutions, like all those IM Academy and stuff like that. They are very crazy. They have many students that they are teaching how to trade. So once they enter the market execution like this, bam, they go move market because they have millions of students all over the whole world. And if they should deposit at that moment, liquidity will pump. I hope you are getting my point.
Yes.
Now, let's now see how this played out. If we are stopped out or if we later find out that this entry is solid. Now, see book handle. See that book handle here? Continuation, right? I hope you are getting my point. See what I mean? See what I mean?
Yes, I can see.
Are you getting what I mean?
Yes.
You see now, they are the one that take the most out of the market. They know they move the market like mad. They move it and then go back to the origin of where the channel started. They will take the whole profit of the sell. I hope you are getting my point. All this sell will happen from here.
Yes.
We come this place. We come here. We come from up here to here. Do you see my cursor?
Yes.
All this channel will happen here. Then go take all the profits back, go back to the origin. to continue the trend back. They're very smart traders. We call them smart trade. You need to learn how to trade like smart traders, how to trade like banks. I'm teaching you how to trade like bank now. I'm not teaching you like a normal retail trader that every trader can just teach you. I'm teaching like banks. This one I have to pay for another course that they teach me all these things. So you understand? It is different from normal forex or normal. You understand what I mean?
Sure.
But you get everything here because I want you to understand this. Because now when you understand, I'm going to say your money get value, your money show. You understand now?
Sure.
You understand now? It no go make sense. So price don't create a new high. Sure, you get my point.
Sure, I do.
After price create a new high, what are you expecting the price to create again? After this bearish candle, you are expecting the price to come back. Yeah, for continuing the trend. Oh, I don't think you are getting my point here.
I'm getting your point.
You need to understand market structure very well. Market structure. I'm teaching you how to understand market structure. See what we don't do now. See what we don't do. Just look at the chart. We analyze the market from here downwards. We analyze the market. We buy, we sell, we buy, we sell, we buy. See now. That's how to trade like a pro trader. You understand? If you don't understand what the market is telling you, don't trade. Are you getting my point?
Sure.
But now, see this market now. We understand what it's telling us. We understand that it's supporting a trend line. We understand this demand and supply zone. We understand where it is reacting to. We understand that the market has changed its structure. We understand that banks are trading some position. We understand that okay, this trend is continuing or this trend is. You understand now? We understand that this is creating double bottom or double top. Let's take the profit from here, or we understand everything. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So follow the trend, be a trend trader. Follow the trend. Let the trend tell you this is what I want to do. This is what we need to do next. So if the trend should tell you this is where we are going, then you will now follow the trend. Sometimes you might want to take small profits, but the trend will tell you that this small profit you want to take, we go past this one. Are you getting?
Sure.
So if they happen like that, things like that they happen for market, that the trend will continue. I don't think you are getting my point.
I do.
You see that we want to take profit here after this rejection, but we see book handle. See now, we see book handle here. That means they have taken this high. Now we have taken this. We are broken out of this structure. We are coming for a retest. The bull candle enter. This big institution candle enter. This retail trader has come back for a retest. Bull candle enter with this big institution because all these institutions they want to be moving the market. They want you to come to retrace the market, then they'll move. Retrace the market, move. Retrace the market, move. You understand what I mean? They want you to make the price be cheap so that they will buy at a cheaper rate. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So that's just it for today. I think we are good for today, right?
No. It's Yes. Yes, very good. Very
good. Everything is well explained today, right?
For sure.
But you want to say you know graph?
Yeah, I know graph which I graph. You go do me. You send me the recording
of this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me okay. So that you can watch over and over, right?
Yes. If I do it from here, your voice will not show. It will not record your voice. It will only record my voice.
Okay. After the class, I will do a screen record where let me just try and see if I can